Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to OPPO Reno 8 Pro. Begin by launching Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Either way, when you're ready, click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on Nokia, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Receive. Following that, you can also scan the QR code by clicking on the scanning icon above User Guide instead. Closing an ad and after allowing camera access in the pop-up, pointing your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, after connecting properly, just wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!